There, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today, in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, October the 12th, 2022. We have here three lovely puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the Sudoku Medium, and the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. These puzzles are regular puzzles, but we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Same as yesterday, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars. And one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And we have here the last one, a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me. Time consuming. And I need also the same time for uploading it. So it's too much for me. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Alright, so these 3 regular puzzles first. And I will solve the first one is a binary puzzle. The binary puzzle number, this will be number 53115. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright? So let's get started. I see here double O. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O. Oh, wait. Look, we have here. What you also need to know is between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So the rest are a 1. Here 1, there 1, and there 1. But we have here a double O, so here 1, there 1, and between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Then now I'm thinking. Well. What, double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Interesting. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thinking. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then. Need to compare, I believe. Need to compare 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I need to compare, I think. We have the same situation between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think we need to compare one of the rows or one of the columns. Okay, well, let me see this column, the first column, double 1 here. No double 1. O and a 1 here. O and a 1. No, this is not the same. This is also not the same. O and a 1. O and a 1. Double 1. O. No, this can also not be the same. So this will be difficult. How about the row? 1001. Okay, let me see. 1001. Here we have a 1001 here. Double O 1. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yes, completed in 8 minutes. Well, tough one, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. By the way, what's the news of today? Well, it's today War Day number 231. Yes, 231 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Well, that's the news. So, see you later with the other 2 puzzles, regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.